agus fáilte go houta gael lumsa Siobhá, lumsa Doireann,
agus lumsa Louise.
Aflíonn faoi bhoise, fáilte go fife sé.
Yo.
Christ above, Carine. It's hard to believe good meeting solving. We're just accountants in the Shíomha. On Táimid sin fliann scata bhí mar dar nula bhú hénig le dul go dtí Stát America.
I know.
And here we are, getting ready for the baby.
Yay! Oh my God,
Wow.
the bhí sin mar bhíon.
Like in a blink,
Yeah.
yeah. One with their fads.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I know, it is crazy.
Yeah.
Could it be Lá Nollag?
Yeah, really, come on. I tore the fucking arse out of it and then some out of our, and then Hannah Maher chumasal galún in our shot the last vid Hannah Maher and ucht last vid and for my dose of vasach, and I've just been relaxing hin, and thanks be to God, I needed it.
I know. Bhí
She
sé rá
was
tá
soft,
sí héis bheith like á tóga go bogéile like
Yeah.
debt law news.
Yeah.
Tá sí a colla tríd na híthe.
Oh, go gorgeous.
10 to 12 hours a night.
Hello.
That's mental.
Mental.
Yeah.
Yeah. Agus
play.
agus a léamh beag nach leabhar sa lo. I'm averaging leabhar sa lo. We made
God.
core of suas. I'm trying sé leabhar
Bhí sé
léamh.
sin
Oh,
ag
who's? Yeah.
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 Oh, who's na blina tá sé le relate to it?
Yeah.
Ein cín maithe?
Yeah. Oh, can really good ask Seamus O'Rourke, my lovely Leitrim. It's a standing in the gap. That's a really good ask, and it's kind of easy reading. And then I don't know, our Leis of Riva and Pat McCabe.
No, nearly.
It's kind of hard to get into the stray countryside or the stray sod country, Sanamdo, and it's hilarious, but it's kind of there's a darker fall of shachan, but once you're in it, it's fucking great. So Shin and Da Chian is far girl mega full.
Gadisha. Sé leabhar
I know.
Gadisha. Fuck you.
I know, but see, yeah, I know. I just can't watch it. Like, call my vet had a lave or something. Yeah,
I feel
Not
deadly
daft
for
they
having.
should though, just to take that time. Isn't that so like meditative?
Oh
to
my
be,
God.
like,
Yeah, I
in
would be shit task
10
that,
days.
100%.
Like,
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, definitely.
The dream.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
go
really good ass.
Oh, if you really chuffed like Granny Mayer and Eric and Scott on her.
But Shin also fumes us. Yeah, also
Yeah.
you're growing
Giella.
a baby, so you
Well, it's
know.
feeling post slave.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well,
You know.
yeah, I know, but I'm just a little bookworm. It's Bralam Valley, you know, so it's
I
just,
thought
yeah.
count tussa gum. Oh, who's
Okay, come on.
Yeah, I'm like 4 chapters in. Anyway, could
Yeah.
have done all Louise.
Come on, you know, I'm actually there now gay stuck because I really was. I was really excited at Brisha, but it just wasn't to be this year. But there was a heap of GA weddings because
Surprise.
I know, and you know what? Like, it's a lovely time of the year, but I don't know how I feel about getting married again. Nollag Broner, I feel like it's gas because you're up to the highest of dough,
Yeah.
and then you're either ga Nollag, yeah, and then you're glamming the whole time. I just don't know if I want to be getting glam during
Yeah.
Christmas. Do you know? I was like, I'd love to sit on the couch now, Savala. So ni raibh really deis gum agus then vi trust beag gum le Heilach in Vienna of all places, which was really nice to get the family together actually, and we were kind of cursing it going. So I was like, it's such a trek to get here, but you're as soon as we were all Lena Kayla,
Yeah.
but it flies by, doesn't it?
It flies by. So we're 42 AM for shit.
Ní raibh well bhí an deir seachtainna agam ar an sahar
Okay.
agus an deireh ní raibh éon rud le déanamh agus chu mé rá I was like,
Oh,
lads,
good
do you know
woman.
what? I was like a fucking child on the eve of like a new school year starting.
Yeah.
I did the big apartment clean, the big shop, charged the Whoop hasn't seen the light of day in the last year and a half.
Oh,
I have it back
Christ.
on me.
Good
We're back
woman.
went for a 5k, all of the, like trying to
Yeah.
pack it all into one Sunday.
yeah.
That obviously I should have been in Mahia Glaive Larry or Jennifer they can
Yeah.
But anyway, sure now, so I think I'm on the, do you know, I'm on the
buzz.
clean buzz now, and I'm
New
like,
year,
I'm
new
going to do
you.
New Year to me until the 16th of January. I'm on dry Jan, so look.
Okay.
Kai Keys are
Cad
live.
Leor and Sheila Jenny.
Just thought Ihe going to limnach, and I was like, oh, like, I won't be able to get through it at least one drink. So I don't want to lock into
Lubrication.
dry Jan.
Yeah, fair.
But no, Sinead, yeah, so Fifi should go hauling. Do you know what?
Yeah.
It was. Actually, Mohim on a bhuiach because Christmas wasn't easy for loads of people
Yeah.
this year, and that's the truth, you know?
Yeah.
Bhí an Nollag dúlánach dúinn lína and like kind of bhain sé a near me, like I don't know, just ní raibh méid síl go mbeoch sé codúlánach sin. It was níos mó like an tréimh séar fád seachas an lá bháin é féin, but
Yeah.
no, bhí lá dasagan,
Yeah.
and then bhí like I'm sure really cute and going comá, so bhí sé go bra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Sinead
Oh, well,
Sale.
look, raw more,
Yeah,
Shiva.
yeah.
Does
But look,
she really
mar
jack
dúirt
her?
ní mis an tain duna
Yeah.
daoine a bhí caiithir full of acu ag an Meredith lína, so
Well, you'll have the high chair there and Blinch chewing.
that's it. I know.
God love you.
I know. If I make winsult, that's kind of mahal of that gum done dinner, you know, like for August Skeen, whereas I'm playing Hogan, I'll probably have a little spoon o good love wine and maybe a spoon of Haines love.
Oh my God,
will
you have the weaned off the tit by that stage, I suppose?
I don't know.
You don't know, yeah.
Yeah, because I might do a bleeing.
Yeah, you
Who
might
knows?
do bleeing.
Yeah.
And you're going to have to talk us through the vegetarian Christmas dinner. What coffee you got? Loads of glossary.
Loads of glossary, but like denim a wam like an irrit sin glossary arena. So like
Yeah.
didn't she like I think ocht Kinál glossary eggsúla arenos.
Yeah.
And then she did us a tart, which was, I think it was courgette, caramelised red onion and goat's cheese tart. And that was like on main le like ucht glossary and Taobh. So I was not lacking.
Good woman, good woman.
Yeah, but I appreciate the curiosity.
You know, be my goni sweenivert.
You would have enjoyed it yourself,
Yeah,
Darren.
I'd say I would have. Sounds fucking delicious.
Yeah.
Céhí cógurach de bhórdigsa.
No, not Misha. Mom agus Siún. Yin made na Brussels sprouts. But no, bhí Misha tearing boozing. So near my team pach in Chara really hurt.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Lá Nollag. Correct booze all Lá Nollag.
No, Savannah. No, bhí me booze all
Just
Ihe Nollag. And then
That's a leis na fear.
Yeah.
Agus na nice kitchen.
Mishagus my little sleeveless jacket. A favourite of Mishagus Ferramore in the hair, and they fucking love it now sleeveless, don't they?
Supposed to Kevin agus Manus leis na Hill and Sue and mantelpiece now.
Absolutely, yeah.
Talking politics.
Yeah, talking politics. Yeah. We were all wondering who was going to do it in the club finals this year, you know. But anyway, we're delighted. Ballybowden lost to Dangan, so I was delighted with that.
What a day for Dingle, I was saying.
What a day. I got here, yeah. So anyway, so that was...
Darren. But listen, at least you were...
I am the man I need.
You are. Olivia Dean.
Yeah.
I
There you
know,
go.
the drinking though, like it is tough fucking going to Christmas.
Oh,
I have
fuck
to say
me.
it's great having a dry Christmas.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'd
oh,
say
RV
so.
Grand.
Yeah.
You know, now obviously ní raibh me am with churbe.
Yeah.
So, but I didn't miss it. Just Neil makes a headspace shin for
Yeah.
But like, Via Nulloch fós fucking fab.
Fab.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
Via fós like dini feshkin scum, like I've made bula le dini, and I just didn't miss it at all. I have to say, it was fabulous.
Fair play to you.
Yeah. Shin, do you know what? I feel like I do.
Yeah.
I'm looking back, I was like getting up for day 2 of one of those weddings and I was like, here. Like,
I know.
blow it up, ref. We're done now.
We're blow it up.
I can't get out again and have a vodka sparkling water. I can't do it.
No, I've been Maricela, like pulling yourself out of the bed, trying to fucking put a lick of tan on yourself. Disaster.
I was like, just rally.
Just rally.
One
Yeah.
more day.
Yeah, one more day. Yeah, no, it's horrific. Yeah, it was horrific.
You don't even enjoy it.
Yeah.
No, you do after. You just need to have 2 drinks to get you back going again,
have
and
to
then I'm
poison
straight
yourself.
back in. Yeah, no, it is. No,
Well,
it does.
sorry, Kyle Mishabacher and Ian Damien Dempsey, right?
Oh, that was
I got an
outrageous.
awful dose pre-Christmas, Christmas Eve and the day before. And it was so funny, we were in Dublin and Declan was like, I have an old hot whiskey, you'll probably just have another hot whiskey. And I was like, I'm at the stage now where I can barely open my eyes. Like, I do not need to be rallying into Damien Dempsey concert. So actually,
God.
Yen me kind of lame stocks labba, and it was actually in Rod this far. I
Kilver.
wouldn't have gotten through
No.
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. Well, you had a very
And I
sensible
had to be a
start.
gobber,
Were
come
you
on.
not going for dinner or something before Jamie
I'd
Dempsey?
bail on all of that, into bed, sweat it out.
Yeah, no, I have to
Adrenaline,
say
golden flu.
we were we had it's all our yearly tradition. All of our Kiltory, our gang, like Táimid, Mordecai, we were on Oak, and then the Vincent's like lads all land in, and it just once a year everybody comes. It was fucking bananas. It was really great.
Yeah.
In then till 5 o'clock in the morning. Ridiculous, but it would be on a cracking. Yeah. So there you go.
Éiste ceir heard dumsa haar na Nulloch, right? So hánig glitter stock an thuras go tig mawáher, right? Addressed to me and cool on Clúdach Lichtruch Dorche, a blast from the past Nulloch Hunna, right? And Tavis Jigda was a letter that I had written to Santa after Christmas, thanking him for the presents.
That's so
Ah,
cute.
no, it was total liquor stuff. It was like, hope you and the reindeers have had a break since. Like, yeah, it was total liquor stuff. But on Rudna, I have no idea who sent this. This is Chávílas a dó. We're going back 53 blian.
Oh my god,
Ref
that's
tú sa
so
Funscoil?
cute.
Bhí me sa Funscoil.
Moontor Bunscoil?
So we were trying to figure it out, like Kane Vúntor Bheagagam, and of course my mum has kept all of the school reports, so she was able to go back and see.
Oh my God.
Kane Vúntor Bheagagam.
That
We
is gas.
rung a tree, I think it was.
Yeah.
And I do you know what? I can't remember what Vúntor had a wrong a tree.
Wow.
Can you not? No, it was in. I was like, "What's wrong with you?" I was like, "Wrong it though, yes. Wrong a car, yes. Wrong a tree, blank."
Maybe he was one of Santa's elves.
I don't know.
Maybe
Well,
it's a
anyway,
mystery.
then my mum was like, "It was this Moontor and Hugshy and on Tanamdum," which I'm not going to dox her. Still can't remember. It's really bad.
Do you know what's so funny?
But like, come on, and then a short for tree blinas fihe.
That's really
What came
cute.
for like? Cod quicker.
Bader just Garhana she there though, Tree Hinoish, and was like,
Yeah.
because it's random to send it to you
Yeah.
here out of the blue.
In a
And they're
bus
like, oh my
together,
God,
yeah.
gas, let's all send
Yeah.
this to her.
Gone Annam.
But maybe, See,
That might have been a Shanna, didn't it? Like
Yeah.
the Moontory, I don't know.
No, we should be their ogue. Like I don't know. It's
Yeah.
it was just so confused
Oh, kind
me.
of nice though.
Yeah,
It was.
really
It was sweet.
cute.
But yeah,
Yeah,
showing how much
yeah.
of a fucking
Sorry.
lick arse I was around a tree. But
I
like,
know, but that's really cute.
That is sweet,
Sorry,
and the
can you?
innocence of it.
You need
Yeah.
to share that. Our
You do.
Instagram.
I thought I thought all
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah.
Oh my god. Read it out.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, it's really bad, and I
Sorry,
did
I'm
a-
also
I-
weak at you going through the moon tours, lads. In my primary school, there were 2.
I know.
What teacher did you
But
have?
like,
for
I can't
dyslexic
believe, like,
fellows?
it's so weird that I can't remember
That
the
is
moon
wild,
tour.
yeah.
Now, what I think is I was really badly bullied to Bun School, and I think
Yeah.
I have like blacked
Blacked
out
out,
a lot of my Bun School. That's a story for another
Yeah.
day. But I really do think so. Okay, so dear Santa, thank you very much for the rollerblades and pads. I played on them for 1 hour. I love the giant activity book. I am nearly finished. I woke up at 6 o'clock and got my stocking. I loved all the stuff that was inside. I went downstairs at 7 and I was surprised at how much I got. Are you and the reindeer tired after your journey? Please, if you are not too busy, write back. Lots of love, Shíomha. And then turn for picture so they can see a picture of me on my rollerblades.
Oh no, that's so cute, Shíomha. She'll really glow at it. I love that though in Sinnantocht go like Lanny. Like, do you
No,
know, if
yeah.
you any time brought me back.
Yeah, I know.
Really
I don't
doty.
know.
Oh,
What?
cute.
I'm like, Gary Sween of now.
Stephen Rita on the job, Stephen State. Right, okay, to do. Thank you,
notes,
right,
yeah,
Santa. Thanks to Santa. Draw the picture of the rollerblade.
Yeah, you like that. yeah.
1 hour playing, done.
But the beginning, I'm remarkable. Revan Rún eolas a gum. Faoin trá seo.
No,
I'm
not
not sure.
actually.
I found, yeah.
No, really?
Yeah.
Before we should make a wrong Karen, can't make her sin on a oak.
No, bhí mé óg. Oh, Peter, I was wrong at Cahar Comá. Bhí mé óg on a óg though.
yeah.
But I don't know, was that me trying to...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know, trying to
Oh, babe,
overcompensate.
there is.
Yeah. New Beidir and Rún a scuile Malach Agant. But anyway, that just blew my mind. Turning all I was like, who was sending me my like 23-year-old Santa's letters?
Oh, that's very cute though. No,
Me
she can
auntie,
ask.
no Colcar, no Ina.
No, well, no one has revealed
Well, let's put it,
themselves.
let's reveal yourself.
Yeah.
Anonymous donor.
Yeah.
Reveal yourself.
Single women, reveal yourself. Do you remember that? No likey, no
No
light. What's it
lighty.
called?
Oh, what was it
Ray
called?
Foley was the Irish host of it.
It was brilliant. It was
Um,
so good. Light. Oh my God, what was it called?
No,
Turn me
no.
out or something?
I don't know.
It was for the
Oh my
Christina
God,
Shade.
what was it called?
It was okay. Hold on, I'll do a quick Google. No likey. Was it
No
not?
likey, no lighty.
Wait, what
Take
is
me
it?
out.
Take me out.
Take
for
me
all
out.
of the, do you know, Manal single would stand behind the light,
Sorry.
and a man would come out and you'd.
She's yawning. She hates it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Come on, that's a
Vishay
good.
Uthook.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was one of the best
Irish
shows.
one,
Yeah.
Irish girlos.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but Brad and Brad Shearer actually.
Yeah.
Ray Foley. I'd say Ray Foley was.
It's Paddy McGuinness that does the English one.
Yeah. I'd say Ray Foley on a
yeah.
snarky
I'd say
now.
be,
Yeah, well able.
Bring
no
it
better
back.
man.
Bring it back. Bring Ray back.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. So, Runa Havliana?
No.
No.
Oh yeah. Well,
No.
okay. You're off the hook. You're
But
doing 16 days on
but
the dry.
also ní Dara like ní mo take an athlete and really go forward, you know?
No,
like,
okay, fin gad. No, tan cheart gut, but just you know.
I'm a serious shock,
notion
Well, quite cuddled it, to be fair.
Yeah.
I actually am. I need to start sleeping well. I'm so, you must give me some tips of what.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's leor.
Magnesium.
Maybe it's the British.
Take
Yeah.
magnesium.
It's the magnesium.
Oh my God,
yeah.
I was
Yeah.
having shite sleep because you're meant to have bad sleep in
Yeah.
pregnancy. I started taking magnesium. It has turned my sleep around.
Really?
well today. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
incredible. Yeah.
Yeah,
Jeez,
so that
wow.
is Rodrigo. That's why Chris and Whoop are at sure. I don't know, hilarious. And also, I want to get back into the running. Do you remember when I was Sean in Chicago? I was really into swing of it.
Yeah,
So I need
you
to get
were,
back
yeah.
in for the Al Count. I saw Cara Owen Keane threw up yesterday. There's nothing's
Yes.
better than the Al running for the brain. It gets you out of every Al punk you're in. And I think.
Yeah,
So I want to get back. I want to at least try to do a little running a week,
yeah.
even a small wee one.
I actually want to go back to the running so that I can rally make a Parison
Yes, you
going
can
or
run in
Vish
fancy
going that I
places.
can do the
Yeah.
runs and
Yeah.
the sand.
And
I just serve Pilates.
Oh,
Good
go on.
Yes,
Reformer
Reformer
gonna-
Pilates. Yeah,
that'd be
fuck
class.
me.
Yeah,
It
it's
is.
deadly.
It's very humbling.
Yeah.
And he had like wrong her nash because he had my couple of wrong nervy men knew Aurich, but then he had wrong her nash after like being on the lash for weeks. Was horrific. Like it is really like you'd be
Yeah,
shaking all over.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and alcohol is the core, you know?
That's so crazy. It's so really good mad though. So
Call to Jane of it. It's a cost suction on
Smithfield,
tain.
yeah.
Rods like
class
it's a
pass not
massive-
so bad.
Class wasn't.
Girl, you're gonna have to switch off that
I
fibre.
know you can never handle it.
Put on
Yeah.
airplane mode. No
It
one else.
actually is an airplane
You don't
mode.
need to hear from anyone else right now.
Oh,
Shots
that's
and
weird.
talking.
That's weird, isn't it? You can
4G Sport hardly comes over
Oh, you get, switch off the Wi-Fi. Switch
a
off your
Wi-Fi as well.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Fá taking
I'm-
ceocht
I'm
technolíoch den seachtainna.
There you go.
Nullag na mán an teacht an seo.
Yeah.
Aon fan agus nullag na mán.
Degan á duine míad bíon sais béle mór ag muidreachas and stuff, but I'm on the dry. I'm not doing anything. No, I'm keep really going to be really boring.
Ní gá ó leis an lá ceailre.
Oh, I know, but
sorry, reformer, reformed,
yeah.
reformed woman over here.
I'm telling you. No, dead me Rodeg. I might go get my nails done or something, or Rodeg and Dastamhain, or like just some me time.
Yeah, sin rud.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah, no mistake any féin. Táimid a gagru rud ag an beag le curmach ar an air today FM, but like that's just a killer.
We told her Rasha Grubber on a lewer nach raibh.
Yeah, well just enough.
Oh,
but
right,
it's a gobber good Dí Nollag.
Okay.
So it's kind of right up until it, yeah. But it's grand. Back on it. Do you know what? I was reading an interview in the Irish Times with Dermot Whelan, and this how obsessed we all are with being busy. And I was like, it's such an interesting thing. Like as soon as you're back on, you're like, well, I'm working this day and that day, and I'm like, actually, maybe that's a bit of the ruin in the Havli, and maybe I'll be less obsessed with being busy.
Yeah.
And I'll start that tomorrow. Nollag the man.
Do it
today when you're listening to this podcast. Just unbusy myself a small bit.
Yeah, you
know
don't
what
do
I
it
mean?
unbusying
Yeah,
yourself.
Or stop stop prioritizing being busy, or like the more of it. You know,
yeah.
But if I saw to see sheets, I know we say this so many times, we're just so boring to hear us talk about this again, but it's something I really struggle with.
Yeah.
If sauce gone facky enough.
Yeah.
And tá sé
tough.
Yeah, it is tough. And tá sé tácht a of Gahar and time should them fleeing because there's fuck all to do anyway.
And freshen though, my him go and lock there in the phones. Like I don't care what anyone says.
No, the phones are horrific.
You're connected, you're looking, you're doing, you're on.
Yeah.
Do you know,
Let me
and
all
you're a
three
gubber.
mála déine faoi like an tábhacht le ladron of Irishnish you know,
Céim
like
fin
I'll the fáistí actually mar like tugann sé deistómh kind of dul siar cuimhní agus a bheith crothach agus gán aum a bheith ladron caiilen siad na deisna sin, you know.
Totally.
Agus muid na comá, like we need opportunities to be boring.
Yeah.
We could never be boring. Bored,
No.
sorry.
Yeah, no, I know.
Opportunities to be bored. Very important.
Conas mar bhíonn tú sorry, I just search fest when me all show annachud le ling na nollag from Rá at Sarah Husney or Tafid, but like screens, posty, social media and stuff, but the screen thing, like a girl to
I don't know, like mar like I'll go her like nor rugged her iad. Like I don't want, like I'm obviously going to be watching TV.
Yeah.
But once they become aware of TV, I don't know. It's really hard because I'm a big TV person.
Yeah,
but like
really
Levi may like absolutely won't be an iPad kid. Do you know what I mean? Like, well, then he'll knock my sheet in an iPad kiddies. But I don't know. Like, obviously, Barlum knock me sheet air na meanho sheet agus knock me Brandon Skull on Cofadas Fader. But Keiko Rayleigh Satoshi Shin said, I'm sure a woman in Argoni out. You know, I suppose Tarash came again like Hovleen Dag. And I'll tell you how I get on. Like, you know,
because your kids will be formatting Excels and
I know.
Color coordinating.
This is what jealous. This is what jealousy sounds like.
Go jealous because I can't even formulate a fucking Excel. Her unborn child is better at Excel.
Probably. Actually, okay, so I thugart gon fáiste bugad go aglah na seachtaine. So an tachtan seo Táimid leir leis an aliantóir agus an fille Siobhán de Paor agus Táimid ag play How to be Pregnant, and just sulla Hamish Jackson aglah just has to go and rub your grave raw hort done chat show, because as you'll hear myself and Siobhán say quite a lot, there is so many opinions around pregnancy and birth, and in this chat me and Siobhán share our opinions, and that's all that they are. You can have whatever approach you want to pregnancy and to birth, and that is completely up to you. It's a very personal journey and decision and kind of topic. But what I would say, if there are any medical questions that arise in this chat, go and have them with your medical professionals. Okay?
Okay. That's my impression of it.
Okay. Oh my God, no! Sorry, Darren was doing an impression of Meanie Suha agus Dúir she could arm on a
you just said, okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. That's they're the Shíomha working.
That's the Luke and me coming out.
Okay. Yeah, no, big time. It's like, okay. Yeah, no.
Yeah, sorry, what's our Darren Lock-on impression?
Oh God, only knows.
Oh God,
we'll have to circle back.
There's definitely something like you're very. I actually feel like you're very easy to
take off. Probably,
I'm
a dose, probably.
Put on a gilet, put the arm up on the mantelpiece, and you're there.
Well, this is how you're getting on.
Okay, we're gonna go do some more impressions. Agus buin sult as our chat and show leis Siobhán de Paor. So fáilte rih ina seachtainna aliantóir scríbhnóir fille agus gníomhra Siobhán de Paor. Fáilte out Siobhán.
Gur maith agus Siobhá.
Si go hálan tú a linn. So inis dún ru beag fiú tain, but a leir nniu faoi How to be Pregnant, har bheith ábhartha domsa agus a taithí agus a lei seo.
Úntach, haise gom cunis a bheith, yeah.
When a man loves a woman. You have a special type of hug.
Annie, yes, yeah. Lovely, juicy out.
Yeah. So céimhéid páiste tágad na Siobhán.
Tá trí cína gom. Bhíon céad ceanna gom ag trocha seachtastocha agus an ceann déirnach a gom ag dahadadó beag nach gá blianú hin.
Yeah. So tróir agus níis agus cad is anam dómh.
Isne an tééis sinne má bhacín agus an sin éú solas musil agus solas an tír actually. Caiá éiscinint chuné chreúint agus an sin chu si beag nach a cuaig inis agus an sin túrin an tééis óige.
Okay. Now amnacha
Go háling.
tá siad
Yes.
gorgeous. Ro sé dachar tátar na amnacha nu ar hiic tú
Yeah.
loireach nar chunig tú na haigena.
But rud spioradálta anam a ranú agus iad scéalta insint fao chunas a tháinig siad ach isne ó isnach mar bhíon burt a gin thuas ar an cnochsan nuair a hiigeamar go raibh sé teacht.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Agus
As in like nar hosig labour nu nar
nuair higus I was like, oh, tá mé like come cotréachta. Cén fá go mé cotréachta.
Okay.
And it was like, you know, oh
Yeah,
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 like the
yeah.
realisation dawned. An Bertagwin. And sin isnach, so sais hánig an anam, agus leis an realisation sin bhrachas an anam, you know? So bin an ciadúir a bhrach mé anam
Yeah.
mo lenah.
It's because you're Brooklyn Beckham really, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, sorry, you're going to have to
Louise
explain that
Doireann.
reference. What's the story with Brooklyn Beckham?
No, maar hugad ar Brooklyn ar mar riad Brooklyn.
No, I think he was conceived in Brooklyn though.
Oh, okay.
It didn't come upon
Siobhán,
him
if
that
you
there
haven't a
was-
clue what's going on, ná me seachar, it's the
Look, díra cosúla Brooklyn Beck.
yeah.
I know, but it's desk will cangelt either an animal agus an áis.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
obviously
yeah.
the
Oh,
same
yeah.
thing. Yeah.
Agus sais cosúla sin le éireú, you know, like éireú vis amachna, vis a din of rebirthing actually. It's rud é sin nar hotú asú, like kind of holotropic breath work agus ten tú siar godí de brehénig chun pé trauma ho ann a scuile. Mar it's féidir let you can relive your birth trauma if it's not been released.
Okay.
Yeah, trauma.
Yeah.
So vis
Sorry, is your birth trauma you coming out as the child?
you're coming out of your mother.
And we remember that, they say.
Yeah, I mean, in hypnotherapy, it's like one of the most common painful memories that people go to. Birth trauma is...
Well, you know, Kermer Tara for Oglav and Fishy Lara feel like past lives and stuff. So I'd say it's Rutger Fader degloss all of Dinkin.
Yeah, yin TG Cahar, sorry now, Táimid Gar Stachar Siobhán agus swinging sin scale, but the yin TG Cahar chlár mialler on farshin of Laclia is Kians na chlóracha féin bhíann. So a counter nar leling you know, leling do a bheith teachtar an saoil bhí dacracht éigent agus chuirdir an time sin do shredder ná ra bheith an painkillers or whatever tastáil de lena yoga agus bhí ar dul fe scían agus é anna óg agus it was agus dar ní chuoinm cad san an fear but
Dan an peon leis.
no d'urbar sé 5 for le drugaí agus rudí agus dhéanaidir tracing rasher an trauma agus it was an trauma show bhí ge agus sé teachtar an saoil and chuise bhí sé saoil ar fád a géirí sin chur na cheart agus as far didn't sé annach chu dibrein is just ar haibh stucharcht ar fáid carta daoine go bhfuil you know ag strachelt le 5 na drugaí nó rudí mar sin but she just anna himúil mars rud ghlach an annachchuid sicólathe you know mar sin mar sais rud you know
Yeah,
basic
hush,
like
yeah. Cotíanta like ubiquitous like.
yeah totally yeah
So cad the horla ditche.
Well, yeah, ní raibh sé róghine but bhí bringlóid a gom agus sa bringlóid bhís rugach ar lenah é cage, you know, agus bhí ma fear céile sa cage fresh, so bhí sé just really dystopian kind of horror vibes. Agus fuair ma fear céile bás in ecelum agus mé leis an lenah seo. Agus gúisi mé le mothú an ú fás seo agus ní rawas an an fáilt réigleis bhí sé orm ar feig seachtain. So chur mé lécha Geraldine na Hearn agus as it happened the country's best rebirther is in Kilorglin, so chu mé cuathé agus bhí mar a duine an macnamh so a dhéanaan si. Agus cuamar sir go dtí mo bhrehénig agus bhí, you know, bhí mo bháthir sa labba céine is a rugach sí, so she was down in her own mother's house. Agus i lí seol. Agus hánig má granant stachas dúirt she the baby's come and get down to the hospital agus léim sí steach sa cháir agus Tomán ma ahar sias godi portláriga bhí sé úrón tig like full speed, you know. And agus my mother's like, and I held you in all the way down in the car so that you wouldn't get out, like, do you know, mar bhí sé an intina cí, ní raibh sé soccer nó sa bháilte.
Like she's an Australia.
Yeah, she's an hospital. Agus haim sin mé hén díra go bhallart, you know, like braham go sin an áit mí ceart dúinn mar manoibh. Agus gráis i gíri tacht amach sa labba sin where, like, you know, there's already an ancestral vortex functioning, like, you know, and hánig mé amach ag doras an hospital.
Yeah.
Like I didn't want to go in the front door, and I still don't, you know. And so but bhí sé níos spioradálta ná sin an mothúcán. An mothúcán ná ní raibh ma anam i gíri tacht go dtí earth, you know, bhí sa gíri fanacht i nav. And this kind of this attachment that I had to my father as a child as well was sort of a manifestation of that, like that I never wanted to leave the father, you know. And I was kind of never wanted to come to earth fully. So this kind of, so quite a, barod spioradálta agus sa bhacnamh sin, dhéana sé sin cúpla úra agus sa bhacnamh sin tháinig anam éirú nuair bhís á dhéanamh an próséis sin an breathwork agus tháinig anam éirú agus dúirt mé le Geraldine in dhéag agus dúirt sé, she said furas an anam céine.
Wow.
So bhí sé sais, you know, bhí rudí sais bhí anna fógraí timpeall breith éirú.
So ar dhéantas anna chuid olbhú duna leanaí, like dúir tú gur like ar dhéan tú macnamh agus gur léir tú Geraldine na hurn, like ar raibh tú ag olbhú go practicúil agus like gur raibh tú ag géirí kind of ferbertí anna féin so ar háing de leanaí ar an saoil.
Yeah. Well, you know, is cosúla tain, like, tá bím sé taide, you know, fisfrach faoi an méid a haid tarlú agus beidir nach cosúla tain ní raibh piocólas a gom ribh sin, you know, ní ráis timpeall le ní nó máithreacha is just, mórán, you know, níor cuinig mé mórán ar breith ribh sin. So, an olbh conna bhís á dhéanamh, bhí sé just chun mé hénig a dachas a hart am hénig, you know, and sínas, hosig mé a léamh. So, an bhfuil tú tréis cúpla ruí mar seo léamh?
Oh, loads.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Neartáid stage gom agus cursí lei is gacrad. Tá an spéis gom snáver, you know. Tá sé có spéisiúil agus tá sé có láhin mar ábhar, like, agus an rud atá mé rá gáí ná ní hiice mé seo godí go déim tríd mé hain go thomláin, you know. But no, tá mé anna ordlach ar na rahanna, ar na córis, ar na cinti, tá. Agus tá mé just a gurí a bheith cínta go bhfuil go agam i ngach ile féidirthacht, you know. Sin, I think an rud is tábhachtaí, I think tá taid anna a léiríonn, like, go bhfuil an taithí is dearfaí ag maná a bhóthaí ina bhí glór sacu cluiste, you know, san óramh.
Díreach i gceart.
Yeah.
Díreach i gceart. Mar sinna agus sinna hiig mé mar bhís istigh le isne agus cail mé an údar bhrachas go raibh siad ní réist siad lom, like bhí sé just níor éist siad leis an méid a bhís árá, bhí orm mé ará sa ahrá agus mé i lár an lí cheol, you know. So, like, that authority, mar you know, that's it. Na cúig méisteach le éirú comá, but bhí sé de dhí mar bhí placenta previous, so ní raibh sí an bhí C-section wem, you know. So
agus nuair bhí an leanamh teacht, you know, to go back to like what you were saying, that birthing trauma, did you go through the trauma again?
No, bhí sé mithe. Bhí sé mithe. Yeah, bhí sé mithe. I mean, few ní raibh sé le fiscint ag na brethine eile, you know, there was I went to a seer at the time, and she told me that, you know, she said, don't worry too much about passing things on. Like, she said, these new souls are, they're born like they are the new earth. You know, we're going to try become it, but they are it, like, and that's how it comes about. We just birth it.
Céir a bhí mar an rud is fearr leat faoi bheith ag súla páiste a bheith ag iompar?
Jesus, tá méid sin sa liste of things not to like, you know.
Well, sinna déirte linn. I think a bhaineann would kind of shock the díoltacha faoi a bheith agsúil, you know, kind of our sailor father. It's always like, oh, you know, maná she'll hard mar sin. But actually, like, I've loved it.
Yeah.
Gach cuite.
The permission, you give yourself permission also for self-care, like hugan tún ceadún is sin the tainig, like, you know, is féidir lum just mé hénig a chohu agus bit like domsa bhí sé sin strod múra mar ní hugan man cead sin dom hénig, you know, agus like bheith sa frís bheith siúil an burta goibh. Do you know, like an aum sin a chachaf le céile agus macnamh le céile, like, you know, nílt with the einer but taught with the einer, like it's kind of like the best company you'll ever had, like, you know, because it's solitude but in deep communion, you know.
That's
gorgeous,
isn't
it?
Yeah. Nature, like kun bheith mos an áúr braham mar siise do bháthir, so tá do bháthir sais, you know, ag berart, as to say better the lenev, and then there's like this feeling of like, oh, closing the loop here. It's all a perfect moment, like, you know.
Yeah. Take 'em. And then cad faoi like tá sé anna hábhachtach measam pobl a bheith agus nar táú agsúil táú, you know, ag fálam ó the bháthair, the cheanna bháthair, the antíní, the colcarcha, the corda, like eolas na man, haar timppel ar an ábhar seo, tá sé cóhábhachtach na gcuil.
Yeah, I mean, the pobl really comes in after, you know, like how she the ye, like I think you could go through pregnancy in solitude. I mean, shin mo rawa, like I craved solitude.
Yeah,
in pregnancy.
and tá mar made the anquid tormi own, so agus orint any carrying gacha le torma eins to akirid, you know, because it's also individual.
Yeah. Don cearta good. I mean, forewarned is forearmed as well, like, you know, and Marissa Dort, but you see, you are an eolas a good. Like, you know, because I ní credim sa rudgin, like, you know, or, you know, we'll mind the pregnant women, you don't tell her anything scary, like, you know, it's like, you know, eolas is empowering. Yeah. You know, and that empowerment is essential in birth. Like all that, because you need to be fully empowered, because actually it's come a cévéid olbhuchan a dhéanaan tú. Like, déach éonrad tacht, and it's always life and death. It's always life and death. It's always dramatic and super dóireachta. Like, I don't know anyone who has like a, you know, it didn't have a hit and miss. It's just hit and miss. Getting that soul here is really, I think that's that transition is one of the most dangerous of the soul's journeys, you know, to get outside. So like yeah, I think maybe a lot of máithreachas, and I know myself, like, you know, this is why I'm like, I'd be pushing the tourums, you know, because it's like I cannot impress enough like how important it is to inform yourself and to know and to go into that. And a lot of women go into that uninformed and go into hospitals uninformed agus an sin how she stigan agus kailen she the ross, and they don't only lose the birth they wanted, but they lose the potential initiation, because it's initiation a high guest, like it's dascan a trasnín to invite and goody and bháthir agus harlíonn sé sin ihe a bháin. So it's like initiation on speed. Yeah. Postnatal depression. You know, like tá nasc díreach an son idiréis sin agus an mbreith. Do you know, it's like, what's wrong with me? It's like kind of hard that, like, you're traumatized mar chail tú, you know, you're supposed to be in charge in this initiation, like, you know, agus you're infantilized, or, you know, you're cut open unnecessarily, and 7 layers of tissue. It's a major operation. Oh, massive. A major surgery. Massive. And then hálanmh beag agat agus ní féidir leat fiú ide umper, you know, and like kinty you'd be getting depressed, like, yeah. Do you know, like tá sé, and that's what, like, nearly half of Irish women now have to deal with their firstborn infant in major surgery. Like, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Like, you know, so it's like, you know, yeah, an mbreith agus cara harlíonn in a dhiag, like, agus leis an bathú, coma. You know, leis an bathú. The feeding trouble does start, like, if there's intervention as well, you know? Yeah. And the bathú is like, oh my God, because tá sé códachar. Tá sé códachar leanmh beag a bheith agat, like, agus bheith an chola. Tá sé dachar tacht an seo, Louise, mór an chola.
I feel really bad now, Siobhán.
Yeah. Agus saolig, like, dom rudí go raibh, or like druidim a roig, like, leis an leanmh, like, agus druidim, agus a mór go ríist, you know, and, but like, leis an bathú, you get this, like it's like happy hormone oxytocin, flood of oxytocin. So when the milk lets down, your body fills with this sexy, gorgeous, blissful hormone, like, that just makes you feel like, and it's like, it's really like, that's what it feels like. and then you have this baby, and it's just so it's
But
nature.
need gach aine because being maná extracle gamor the breastfeeding na mian like and ní raibh I think as well like bra and dinner like you said Shíomha, you know, being agléir dini chuma like knock meg she the now knock meg she mag leor den job no an now and of a garret and then that must surely be the chean chuma like tá sé scan rule I would say.
No few of an táigeí fille an ober níos luath, you know, like Bahu was really you know, it's ceist costa é mar like bhrálum sé dhéanamh agus leanúint leis, but then tá an dúilgas fad an máthair an cothú fad a dhéanamh, you know, so it's dúilgas olmór é.
Sin ceist really smell me all fill an ober because I probably can't identify le annachid atá dulraig sa chorá seo, but I can identify with that need of like to make your dollar, you know what I mean? And then that flip and how I would say it's a massive struggle. Gordina go hartha mas dina ulvínach too. You know what I mean?
Queen my mom make Dularash and she'd have the baby on the tit.
Yeah,
that was
my mother
always
was
the
the
way.
same, yeah.
And do you know what she says, Siobhán? She breastfed. I have 3 sisters. I breastfed all of you, and you all bonded with your father. Waste of time. So
Hilarious.
you know, August said Marcela Declan, there was no one in that house breastfed, and they're all mammy's boys. So now they're on will like
it's the mammies and the boys, the
So
mothers and their
I
sons.
know,
They
but-
just
Nilisco.
No, or you had your time of attachment with your mother, so now you're not
Beidir.
clinging to her anymore. That's what it is.
Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, Tom would need Navsplach actually, yeah.
Yeah, like
Beidir.
I mean, I
She
think
loves to use it against us anyway, Siobhán, let me tell you that much. And I breastfed you for months.
Yeah.
Mind you.
But fi an Rasher an ober hééis 3V.
yeah, that
Yeah.
seems like
It's
obscene.
nothing.
It
It's
seems
nothing.
like really
agus tá
difficult.
ana gut banna háigirí fille.
Yeah, well no dána tá carháin lom an tá si féin fustathe an bharrteach si just gán bathú a dhéanamh mar then like you know just on weaning agus an process sin rinne si an cinenne ón tús nach nennig si bathú mar go mbeoch sin níos dacra an lánamh beidir ompú ar na buidéil an sin, you know, so ón tús dúirt si nó mar bair an fill ar an oberhéis sé go seachtaí.
agus chuna sa bhreisí in dhéag trisin.
I think we're just sásta leis an gine and she like you know is kinda har bheith pásanta é ach yeah mar is tócha sé dachar a bhná a suki mar deirtalinn you know gur féidlinn gachhar dhéanamh ag an éim céine gur féidlinn páisí bheith againn gur féidlinn a bheith har bheith rathúil ar an obair so tuigim do bhná a dhéanann san cinine sin. Yeah.
Is tócha go fórhór de manáis an scéile há cloiste gom a roundíon maternity leave agus a bheithíon an páiste. They get paid maternity agus an sin roundíon siad unpaid maternity leave agus níla de géirí fille. You know, agus bíonn siad strachel leis so nóair a hátuis stigan like ón taobh so bhís mar an gcéine leatadían like you know bhís ag orní beagnach nóair a like bhí sé you know nóair a fuair mé an nuacht go raibh is súil, you know, and mé réig I'm like má nefh splachas má síirse like you know like tá an irid sin luachar de síirse like agus you know sé sin ag amachtuit ach ón taobh seo sé an you know an rud is measa dhéit a chorlúdit you know like de síirse chailúint ach ón taobh eile bechummelaat like ní you know it's just ní you're like oh like níl se wem like níl einward wem ach seo you know agus tá sé sin ar an chemical level comá like you know like nature ensures that you feel that way like it ensures that you can do this impossible job by providing those chemicals in your body like you know that will support that and is tóca le manáibh like sin an slí a hán soci deartha but I mean táis a gin trúir gin go bhfuil an soci briste.
Yeah.
You know, agus tá sé deartha mar sin go gaithigh manáibh fille ach you know ní dóilm go bhfuil sé sin ceart.
No, tá ceart like bram go sin fásach go rachainge féhrú mar sin gomechar ha fill ar an obair treis like 3V mar dúirtú is nothing like you'd be saying tug shavy or lead before you're even sorry met to feel like balanced out or reach me or you know ein ahrú more sale whether it be you know ma chailinn tú den agent nu ma bhí an páiste got nu ma hen tú tríd you know break up nu ahrú tír like níl tú ábal ein cinenne dhéanamh go can really shavy go dtígan in an rudí kind of balancing out so sin rud mítoch le chur ar tain nu ar aon duine you know rud mar sin dhéanamh sin anna jacker I'd say a gur de láinte bheabhrach because tánáis internal struggle sin an na gcónaí you know. aníachar.
An rud a hálíonn de annach chuid man áibh agus an cúis go bhfuil siad a fille an géirí fille ar an obair ná nach bhfuil taíocht acu ag go baile. Like há fermo hí gobar bíon orthú mar há mar gáis da agus caiigh siad an tiighnú, tá dína faoi bhrú agus níl an máthir gar déanú níl an cadrih eitrithe, níl éon drafúracha nó drathracha, like níl an pobl like há sráid bhaile mithahain agus tá sé testáil like ní féidir leit lena bh chuir sios, like ní féidir leit dóla gur mún like nó kit like rudí bonúsacha so agus ní féidir leit é a thuirt and sin a má há lenah súna gut má há lenah a há cráite like le rodégan 5 áirithe agus an sin bíon siad i béca agus ag béca and they're little like darug le píon like and you're like saolig ag daileáil le sin comá agus gan taíocht so bheitfá géirí é lú ón níl éon Miláin an ban like tá de drómháthir like tá si I géirí feimú é chóras agus seo an rud le máithreachas like níor bhreathas go raibh an chóras có é ggódach unjust like go dtí go raibh im a bháthir.
Well, big ups to all the single mothers because Cécho Deachras tá sé gur tá burt páirtithe give sé that are on a hacu like scachard like Jesus Christ, so many single mothers out there like tá anna bhascumar and sorry now to just go but like 5,700 children homeless this Christmas in Ireland, 14,000 people fehef are díden and Saoirse and the number of homeless families in Ireland doubled in the last year. Like it's just nárach agus annachid maná singlacha tá istí go lár an éananig farír sé really bránach.
Yeah, agus sinan like is fiú sin a ráidir an mar tá sé tá dúlgus ar an fad chun taíocht a hartóibh. Like it really is an impossible situation like and not a beam a dhéanamh rodí and agus tá it's like reach out if the price is too much if you're looking for a discount and aine a lot of cost so you have the rate, everyone has the rate now, the sliding scale like and like without fail the ones who haven't it are the single mothers like they're always the ones I'm sorry I haven't it and it's like how sé genuine like thought that just níl sé cook man níor féidir le obair
I know
so had the rant or social welfare like but if you get a parking fine that's no food on the table for the week is it like
horrendous,
I mean so like tá Táimid giléir casa I dro an máthir a ríist agus taíocht a hartóibh máithreacha lefar agus go háirithe máithreacha ganfir agus taíocht a hartóibh fannacht agus leis an lenah agus tóg ara hógant an lenah agus ní gá gombeach I mean is leor blian like ní gá gombeach sé níos mó agus is seall é sin like iad a saoil ada like is seall beag an blian sin.
Siobhán, beidir gan in seofa doing rugdúag just míall ar do chuid ibre hain agus do haí héil hain an obair bhíon ar siúil go hain agus díormuid mar beidir darnéistóí nach bhfuil aithne acu ort is fille tú chamála gachar daile?
Is fille mé agus alíonn tóir bimse I déanamh seo aon bhó actually dhéanamh seo faoin bhreith. Just cúpla seo faoin bhreith. agus gars go ná faoi bethú. I mean it's sin an rud like an máithreachas like siad the rud like just
all consuming
it's féidir but it's féidir let like féidir leis fannacht agus fille ar an alíonn nu is like okay seomma alíonn in is seomma obair in is cos ní féidir lom an dailtí dhéanamh so cai mé rodégan dhéanamh honest go mé an iad a bheith lom but an obair dhéanamid ná Wild Irish táid a déanamh abheochant ar rodí cultúrtha tradiisiún spioradálta agus kind of cultural rewilding basically din an diarmid a íanú ar imáníocht mar is ír imání é agus tá sé tógant an cluiche amachgadí an pobl agus an fiantas a ríist sin an misna ha gefuil láthir agus mise sto a hamé déanamh a íanú ar an corón bhuire foioi láthir actually.
Simú.
Yeah, and just atá tradiisiún foioi le gailech ag teacht chun cín.
So tell me about an chrón bhuire agus I don't know cad níl an fadar eolas gom I méle so I don't even know cad an beerle ar an chrón bhuire the rosary.
Oh, right.
So yeah, how are you rewilding the rosary?
Táimid rá like tá grúpa dúinn ag bailú líne
Yeah.
fithe cehar manáibh agus churas just tháinig sé cúm agus churas amach an ine beidir just ar Instagram agus cúpla Siobhán mé teachtar í cúpla manáibh a bhí is go bhfuil is há siad ábalta páidir rá agus tháinig fithe cehar ben le chéile leis ar an ine chus níomar ag sé a chlog ar maidin agus just déanaid macnamh agus siamid a ciúanas agus déanaid an cerón mhire as gailen agus táid just ag gcuí just péad a hagan man just ag gcuí le chéile sa dorchadas agus nílam like an catlach an aglis nílam níléon measa gom ar an aglis níléon measa gom ar an tá sé sin díreach an bhailart a bhí a gceist ag Christ measam. So há rodé an ann dúinn hain like cailmar tradiisiún spioradálta náisiúnta nuair a chailimar an aglis. Bhí mar go léir teacht le chéile ag duine bheithir sharing stations in the house. Do you remember Rosary going around the way?
Gone out,
sort of gorgeous things. And mass as well, though I never really liked. But nuair a chailimar é sin, it's like great, like tá míad réig leis an aglis sin. But chailimar an stuff all
ritual
as well. Agus an stuff sever, agus an stuff fear. Mar is fear rodé padar. Agus rud cuacht cé padar, agus padar é phobal. Ga chéine le chéile I gui, like saolig, agus tusa ille the lí heol, agus bailíon cuigar cardda let, agus háid is sí le chéile, agus háid déanamh ahris an crón viridit. Go dúcaig an anam sin sábháilte. Agus go dúcaig tú sábháilte. Agus gachéine há ar an gléach, like, sure half of them were they're fudging the Hail Mary, like, you know. But ag an am cine há the round, agus há der árá, agus há mid ag brahant.
Coach tegen.
And like sé de bheith Shíomha, a hálán de grásta. An tíarna let is benethe hu, idir fanáibh, agus is benethe torra de bhrinne.
Well, no to Annie as like creach now sé sin anna hanamhach gur mína maithagart.
Agus delighted go bhfuil na Padraig teachtar as, Siobhán, they give me a hard time. It's mal am a raw Padraig.
Oh yeah.
And they never give me a second of it, so now there'll be a raw Padraig tú scach ep a seomach.
Siobhán de Paor gur mína mágras fel in ar hurt grail.
Gur maithagart Shíomha. Yeah, agus look. Yeah, tá réig.
Now, was she réile bheith pregnant and you can chat in colony?
Oh my God almighty. I'm right now to buy a big jumbo pack of condoms.
Oh, on Himmel though, fair play Siobhán.
I know.
Interesting to listen to her.
Yeah, mo you may. Yeah. Tá mis went on a whole toss leir le daoine eile atá like atá an taithí céine acu, you know. So that one was for me, I feel.
Yeah. Oh, no, tá she's selling it.
Okay, so glúis ag ascairt ón chat sin.
Siar bhaineann, come on, she very excited leis.
Oh, girl, I'm on it, except for this.
Yeah. She'd be delighted now to get a bit of a break now for the two of us.
It's great though, like the big mook, I like tá cúpla like cúntas rífris gum, and like the rare chéile, I'm removing the notifications from each of them as I kind of finish up those jobs.
Okay,
so tá sé sin really good ass. Yeah, it's me really to know leis and sus umlán. Yeah.
Oh, good woman.
So freeing.
Yeah.
Really would recommend.
Yeah. Well, like Tassa come on, you know, you need it.
Yeah.
You're going into
when you féidir an chár at the end of a game céine, you know. So
yeah, totally. So mahan tú cothú lamh tan tú duna breastfeeding artha nó bathú dhearann siad níos síos was fendír dhearing sé mahan tú a bhí focail leann san dhearing sé tormach mahan tú súla páiste a bhí focail leann san toircheas, was it?
Má tá tú tuireach.
Mahan tú toirech.
Yeah, I think. Má tá tú súl, má tá tú gomper. Tormach was nua dumsa near chuir sin crush gum
sin an rugan ar sin sin an rugad me sirí a bheith
agus conas go lí trohá sin
TORMACH
should cin umlán nua dumsa now
Tormach
an gailge ar midwife tá roint tá cúpla frása agsúla ann tá cnábhseach. I like cnábhseach.
Well má han tú cnábhseáil tá tú whining. So má han tú cnábhseach?
Yeah, cnábhseach.
Literally to me?
CNAFADA IMHSEACH. Cnábhseach.
Right.
I just think like mar tá tú ag play leis an gurp agus you know like na knáv is
Yeah.
stoga malach agent, so I
Yeah.
don't know. Ban chairach nu ban clúna na
Okay.
termiella,
Sin
so
go
yeah,
das, ban
beidir
Chearach,
yeah. And then Lee Shoal ná Labour.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
Louis Siobhán on Frása sin cúpla bouta, and so she actually really spatial, bar Neil may hate really bheith play leis an topic seo in Gaeilge, you
Yeah,
know, like
yeah.
the chord go matá dul trí up Neil Gaeilge acu, so Neil may really a gúsáid na Frásaí agus na termi as Gaeilge, so she
Yeah.
really spatial dumsa actually ida eolam chuma. So Gurmag Siobhán as an gaun sin. Lee Shoal, no she sin go hauling.
Any show, okay.
Yeah.
On the bar.
It's Mars Castula Ashter Stoka, you know,
Yeah,
like
so yeah.
lovely. Okay, Yups agus Yaks na seachtainna.
Yups dumsa is a bheith an dry. Chume actually amach rare, would you believe? And near Olme, Vilmele.
Bit of bus that they're
Yes,
in.
mi fi mai mo a séichlog go dtí leirtrééis héineag agus bhí mar na sparkling waters an níhar fád gus bhí gachtain eile go an ná bother actually níor chuir sé strach na machrum.
There you go.
Yeah.
Anna bheith.
Oh my
There you
God, this is just like far their Fiera Flock now.
There, please God.
Extúla there.
Come on, Fiera Flock again. Cad for Yak.
A yacht na seachtainna. Ní raibh mé hééis fegs mí bhar yacht na seachtainna, because we say
I would kind of say the US invading Venezuela is big Yak.
Yeah, but apparently it's let's Triana Costa.
No, like he was a dictator,
Yeah.
absolutely, and near Glockshay le Turhi on Taobh of Yaku Fefe Kahar, and he kind of stayed in power. But name Kiana, like, should America be able to go in and take over a country? No.
Yeah, Kevin Gate,
You know, so-
watch
no,
out
that's
Greenland.
yuck. It's awful anyway, starting a year off with that
Yeah.
amount of
Yeah.
tragedy and crime. There's no need. Lads,
Yeah.
come on.
So stay on the dry and don't invade other countries.
Ideally.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
Okay. Okay.
No, Thomas, you're going to give me a complex now. Neil me should have for reach.
No, that's like a das. It's endearing, Shíomha.
Yeah.
Okay, well, do you know what? Now, Tommy sauce that I have a clithead on Vertagash,
Okay.
and it's really fucking hard,
Okay,
and you're going to
good,
make big
good.
eats of
You
yourself.
get your own
Okay,
bag.
good.
Okay.
So, my friend there in a raw actually gur winner rubiog the hus on a man ho shield to Lá Nollag, which was gorgeous, but
Yes.
fós chuir me seo riv agus héis na Nollag. It's a game, our TikTok agus our Instagram, it's called Word on the Beat.
Okay.
And caithí tú na fucla raw in leis an gil.
Okay. Okay.
Right, let's find this.
Okay.
Chuddig mé seo. Okay.
I hate myself.
No, not at all. Sorry, that's a much better catchphrase than hey.
Yeah, it's better than
Whoa.
a crutch.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're in Tusser Deuce,
Yes.
and then Louise
Okay.
Chucky Duckiad, okay?
Okay.
So Curry Mayor for Luna 8.
Okay. Exciting.
So just press play, August 2 Ray.
Fiddle, fiddle, fadog, fadog, fadog,
Yeah,
fadog,
go
fiddle,
down.
fiddle,
Fiddle,
fiddle, fiddle, fiddle, fadog, fadog, fiddle, fiddle. Fiddle, fadog. Oh, sorry.
Go.
Fiddle, fadog, fiddle, fadog, fiddle, fiddle, fadog, fadog.
That's cool.
Okay. Fiddle, kill, fiddle, fadog, kill. Fuck. Kill, fiddle, fadog, fiddle, fuck. Kill, fiddle, fadog, fiddle, kill. Yes.
Okay, Louise.
Okay, Louise.
Misha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go for it, gal.
That's cool.
Oh, very good.
Schlitter,
Oh,
cool,
sorry.
cool. Cooleen, cool agus cooleen.
Cooling, slitter, cooling, slitter. Cooling, come on, cooling, cool. Come on, slitter.
Come on, Schlitter.
Come on, slitter. Cooling, slitter. Cooling, come on, slitter, come on. Cooling, come on, fuck it.
And now you're a chronic. Louise is terrible at this
Oh no,
game.
sorry, you're I counted for you.
Oh, God.
Okay. Oh my god, but vi na fuck on this dakra. Cooling, like cooling, come on. No, okay.
No,
okay,
ní raibh,
No,
I'm sorry.
Dad, leis an ceann ar lína deagná ní bhíonach aon sula a bháin ontu.
Okay.
Would like me really
No,
struggled like
Yeah.
talk to her fuckle as goilga like
Sin cléir really
fro-
well.
not really come
Yeah,
on.
we should not have
Yeah,
fair
really
Gurmag
fun.
Shíomha.
I
Really
will just say fuck was not in any of your clee, but you somehow slipped it in.
You fat the sea. Fuck us, gaige.
Fuck,
Siobhá.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Siobhá agus tá cluthe eile ag Shíomha, that's the blind karaoke one. And that's another,
love
you
it.
love like karaoke,
Yeah.
but that's a really good one to go like Mahadina Trasna. Yeah, that's a
Current
good
what
one.
did you there YouTube? Montaigne. I don't think she'd fecha go Moscow again out Erlina. So
Yeah.
she'll get Moscow if she had to show me wrong. Come on now.
Yeah. No fucks and some whatever.
Talk to really dear shocker because it's níos éisce brand new in LA Dana.
Yeah, tá,
And then
yeah,
August
yeah.
Tusser and spot you're like, oh,
I
Yeah.
know,
It's
I
actually,
know.
isn't it?
I like near you may count them hain because well first of all, that was really time consuming, but I was just like, I near had to go away. Tá mó baby shower siúla an deir seachtainna and there's karaoke. So we might do blind karaoke.
Oh, amazing.
Maybe we'll make everyone sing a song that has the word baby in it. And we're making cheesy
Okay. Oh, that's
my God.
exciting.
Yeah, I need to be a
Wow, I can't believe.
Yeah, we know you were no use at it.
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm really good on it. It's not my strong suit.
You got it the strong suits.
That's true. Bobble. Good luck. If we play on Clash, I'll be one far.
There you go.
All right, fágam mar sinné. Nádí darmid éiste clin Patreon agus siad a láúnt na cúntar man Shíomha. Any like a roll in a raw?
That's it, girl.
Yeah. Okay.
Linn an tacht an sichuin.
Bye.